Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on Suno. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we'll search about Suno app and we click. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. We'll search about Suno AI. You will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.